This is a detachable sunglass. It's like in this you can remove these glasses and add other glasses. So today I'll show how to remove these glasses and add a new glass. So it's pretty easy. It's like you have to just press it from this side. And this comes off, and the other one also, you have to just press it. Just apply the pressure on one glass, so this will come off very easily. And there are like multiple options in this given. It's like this is a mirror finish which is polarized as well as UV tested. This is a plain white glass, this is yellow glass, and this is the black one. So it's like whichever you want to fix. For instance, now if I want to fix this white one, then I'll just simply put from this side and press it, and this got fixed. Same for the other lens as well. It's cushion finish inside, so it provides comfort for your eyes. And here we go. So this is all set to go. Yeah, that's it. Kar lo.